Downloading data from CapCut is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you can access your projects and media files easily. Step 1. Open CapCut. Launch the CapCut application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all your projects. Step 2. Select your project. Navigate to the Projects tab and select the project you wish to download. This will open the editing interface for that specific project. Step 3. Export your project. Look for the export option, usually represented by an upward arrow or a share icon. Click on it to initiate the export process. Step 4. Choose Export Settings. Select your desired export settings, such as resolution and format. Adjust these settings according to your preferences before proceeding. Step 5. Download the file. After confirming your settings, click on the Download or Export button. The project will be processed and saved to your device, allowing you to access it offline. By following these steps, you can easily download your data from CapCut. Enjoy your editing experience.